Trunk slammer is a slang term within the electrical trade used to describe an electrician who is considered poorly trained or lacks sufficient experience. These individuals typically focus their electrical work on vehicles, which include cars, trucks, and buses. The origin of the term trunk slammer comes from the notion that these electricians often lack the necessary skills and comprehensive understanding to execute electrical work to a high, professional standard. Instead of properly diagnosing and repairing an electrical issue, they might resort to simply slamming the trunk or hood of the vehicle shut, giving the appearance of a completed job without actually resolving the problem. Several characteristics often define trunk slammers. Firstly, a lack of formal training. These individuals may have limited or no formal education in the fundamental theories and practical applications of electrical work. Secondly, there is limited experience. Trunk slammers often have not dedicated enough time to working under the guidance and supervision of seasoned, experienced electricians to adequately develop the necessary skills and proficiency. Thirdly, there is over-reliance on trial and error. Instead of following established diagnostic procedures, they tend to rely on guesswork and a process of trial and error, which often leads to incorrect repairs or further damage. Fourthly, the use of low-quality materials. In an attempt to cut costs, trunk slammers might use electrical components that are cheap, substandard, or inappropriate for the specific application. These components are prone to premature failure and can create additional problems. Fifthly, unsafe work practices can be commonplace. Trunk slammers may not adhere to established safety codes or take the necessary precautions while working on electrical systems, which can pose significant risks to themselves and others. The work of trunk slammers can put the safety of vehicles and their occupants at risk. Due to inadequate or unreliable repairs, electrical systems may malfunction or fail, potentially leading to accidents or other hazardous situations. Moreover, the improper work of trunk slammers can cause damage to electrical systems, resulting in costly repairs in the future. It is very important to hire qualified and experienced electricians for any electrical work, whether it involves vehicles or buildings. This ensures that the work is performed safely, correctly, and in compliance with industry standards and regulations.